with some other shit. Let's go through the food channel. Ravana with some bullshit. Ravana, you took this picture with Android? That shrimp look good though. Hey, that shrimp look good. Hello, only because you enjoy good laugh at our expense, I fell asleep on my pizza. Nah, you don't gotta lie on me. You know what I mean? This how you like your pizza, and that's okay. That's a-okay. Alright, you enjoy your pizza however you enjoy it. Banana pudding. Yeah, maybe we should restrict these androids from posting pictures in here, because I can't really tell what I'm looking at. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't really tell. You know what I mean? Maybe we gotta restrict that. The wafers, some banana pudding do sound good right now, though. I can't lie, but I can't really see no details because it's so pixelated and grainy. You know what I mean? What's this on the? What is this? Is that ham? I hope that's not bacon. I'd be very undercooked. I don't think I'd choose this burger. I'd be honest with you. You got some American cheese on there. Whatever this is on top, that doesn't seem like a good addition. I think it's ham or something. If this is bacon, that's very undercooked. Them tomatoes is way too big. I just can't fuck with tomatoes. It's just not my type of burger. It don't even look like a bad burger. It's just everything about it is just something I wouldn't want. All right, what's this, Sequoia? What we got? Oh, a fudge brownie with some ice cream on top.
Thing like that there, right? Yeah, that one, and it's another
I'm not
one
sure
I
what
use.
this is. It's a lot of chocolate. I don't like chocolate chips, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Am I the only person that don't like
Yeah,
chocolate
that
chips?
one, and it's another one I use.
I don't like that shit. When it's a cookie, I like when the chocolate chips is really melted into the cookie. I don't like full chocolate chips. That shit, I don't like it. I don't know. But Sequoia, what's going on with the diet though? What's up with that? That's what I'm more curious about. What's up with that diet? What's that looking like? What happened with all that? Every time I look at your food, it seems like the most unhealthy thing in this channel. I was out. Okay, so the diet only applies when you're in the crib. All right, sounds good. That's gonna work very well for you, Sequoia. Very well. Got to catch him every time I see him around the city. You sending me some bullshit. Hey, that nigga running your pockets. He just put pepper on it on your fucking pineapples. Did you see that? Did you see that? Wow, salt, pepper, and vinegar. He just fucked your pineapples up. I cooked myself a big bag dinner. Yes, I did cook it, Bully. For sure, Scarlet, for sure. We'll see about that. Ah. Hold on. Let's take a second to realize this nigga just put pepper on your fucking pineapples. Hold on. Let's just take a second to sit on that. Let's sit in that real quick. You know what I'm saying? This nigga just seasoned your pineapples with pepper, salt, and vinegar. No, thank you. All right, what you got, Scarlet? For sure, Scarlet, for sure. Hey, I fuck with your Pinterest skills, Scarlet. I like it. You know what I'm saying? You really know how to find the good pics. Hey, this one is looking a lot more authentic. It's slightly more believable, Scarlet. All right, Ravana, what's this? Ooh, a breakfast spread. Is that bacon? Hey, that bacon look. Is that bacon? That shit look fire. Ravana, we got to get you on an iPhone. I wish I could see the details of this picture. All right, that shit can go. That's cantaloupe. I hate cantaloupe. But other than that, this look good. We got some bananas on there. I like that. Curry chicken with potatoes and festival. What's festival, y'all? I've heard that before. Oh my gosh. Goodness, this shit looks nasty. Good gracious. This shit looks gross. Hopefully it tastes better than it looks though. Okay. You was feeling a correctly cooked pizza this time, lightly cooked. You weren't feeling the burnt one no more, Jackie? All right. Homemade pasta. See what this is. Wow. No explanation, just video. Okay. I'm not exactly sure what we're looking at, but maybe lasagna. Maybe a lasagna. I don't know. Oh, a spaghetti bake. That's my fault. A spaghetti bake. A seafood boil. Some pasta. Not the good type of pasta. Okay. You know, I always wonder what gets people so excited about this shit right here. I really do. Like, yeah, it's good as shit. Don't get me wrong, but motherfuckers be losing their mind over a seafood boil. Like, shit ain't that good, yo. It ain't that good. What the fuck? What's this, y'all? This is one of my craving right now at the moment. I'm for sure big back right now. What is it? I don't know. Oh, we dropping recipes in this joint. I found the JJ's crack seasoning recipe and it works. This has to go on the kitchen immediately after you take it out the oil. Oh, on the chicken. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about? Mix 3 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, salted, not salt free, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1/2 tablespoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon white powder, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, half teaspoon sugar, to 1 teaspoon of MSG. The most important ingredient. Sounds like a lot of work. No, thank you. Maintenance crew would be loving to see me. Damn, can we see the plate though? Like, I understand there's multiple plates. Can I see what's in it though, real quick? You know what I mean? Oh. Okay. all right. Ooh, the chicken look good. Yeah, that chicken look good. Yeah. All right. Roasted chicken breast with broccoli and cheese and a shake of chili flakes. Let's focus on this right here though. Let's focus on this. What is this? That look good minus the chicken. This right here. Broccoli bully. Is it thrown up? Is this before or after it was eaten? I never posted when I made buttermilk pies. It actually looks pretty good. I tried, was it buttermilk that I tried? I think it was. I just tried a different pie like last month, maybe a couple months ago. I think it was buttermilk. It was good. It just had a weird taste. It was weird, but it had a good, it was like a weird type of good. You know what I mean? Fresh didn't like that shit though. V-Day prep. I hate this type of shit. That shit was nasty. Raw, yuck. Yeah, I gotta be honest. Chocolate covered strawberries. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I don't like that shit. I just, you know what I'm saying? The chocolate and the strawberries, like, let's just eat the strawberry. You feel me? I don't think chocolate and strawberries really mix well. This is my other craving, peanut brittle. Looks pretty good. It also looks like a death sentence for P, so we won't be having none of that. Honey jerk chicken, fried rice, boy shoe, and macaroni pie. Yeah, that jerk chicken look good though, don't it? Oh, this shit on top of it, I don't know. But that jerk chicken look good. You know what I'm saying? Valentine shenanigans from yesterday, 120 reservations. You serving some bullshit. You serving some bullshit. That ain't filling nobody up. Okay, this was my type of, okay. Now you talking. There we go. All right. I can fuck with that. Yeah, that appetizer, I don't know though. Shit look nasty, I can't lie. Shayla. Hey, them fries look good. Shayla, I can't lie. Burger look a little dry, but them fries look fire. They look, I can see the salt. You know what I'm saying? I could see the salt. And they not hella crispy. Them fries be good if, like, these fries are good when they're fresh. You throw those in some ketchup. Yeah. What's this right here? And that cornbread look fire. It look like it got some flavor on there. The chicken look good too. Now, is this broccoli with cheese? Is this a normal thing, y'all? I've never had that. I've never even seen anybody eat that. This oxtail right here, y'all. Yeah. Some shrimp, okay. Potatoes, I don't like baked potatoes, y'all. I gotta be real with y'all. I think I've said that before when we was making the baked potatoes. Baked potatoes is so drawn out to me. I done ate baked potatoes so much when I was a kid. That shit is ass to me now. I can't do it. Feeling like steak for lunch. Finished products, okay. All right. See, them, I can fuck with these potatoes. I don't think I need to ruin it. What the fuck is it? Oh my gosh. Ew. And what are you doing with this? What's your plans with this right here? You got some different shit going on. You know, when I come up here, I'm usually I'm cooking like some beef. You know what I mean? Maybe some pot stickers, Wagyu. Not this. What the hell? Oh my gosh, this looks nasty. Who sent this? That shit look nasty. I gotta be real with you. This octopus, right? Yeah, that's an octopus. That ain't no squid. The whole thing too. I might try like a little small leg maybe. Yo, have y'all seen them videos where they're eating live octopus? Have y'all seen that? Yes, yeah. Oh my gosh. That shit is crazy. That shit crazy. Like, I really don't get it. You know what I mean? I don't get it. I don't even know what would compel somebody to do that. Ray Barnum, you gotta get on the iPhone, Ray Barnum. I don't know how much I need to stress this. This look like a good breakfast. This is my type of breakfast. I would eat everything here. This grits, yeah, I'd eat everything here. I could fuck with it. Maybe not the blueberries, but I'd eat everything else. Okay, yeah, that Android quality. That's I don't like to keep pointing it out, but man, damn, I can't see nothing. That Mac look good. That shit look good. Ray Bonner really carrying y'all. Okay, honey. All right. Doesn't look like my type of thing, but yeah. Yeah, not my type of vibes. But it looks like it's cooked well. You know what I mean? It looks like you cooked it correctly. That should remind me of them Little Caesars breadsticks. I think Little Caesars breadsticks is slept on. Everybody gets crazy bread now. Nobody gets the breadsticks no more. Made some Mediterranean food, hummus, pita, lemon tahini chicken, Greek salad, tabble. All right. For sure. Let me just see the food, man. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't waste my time reading the rest of that. It's that vegan shit. Ooh, that look good. Are them bacon bites? Ooh, okay, Ray Bonner. I hope this ain't American cheese. Hey, that shit look fire. That shit look fire. Banana pudding ice cream. All right.
Today we have a curry chicken and me not like this. Here recipe will make them lick the plate dry. No matter which piece, wing, breast or thigh, make sure.
Why are we sending this in the post your food? I'm not seeing any food. And it's not yours. Big Back Olympus, this is not counting drinks. Dan, this what you be eating? $913. Yeah. This what y'all was talking about. You never know when your last day is. You can't take your money with you. Let's go spend $900 at dinner. Let's go do it. That's almost $1,000, y'all. Their tip was $160, and y'all are all for tip culture though, right? Y'all all for tip culture though. I fuck with it. Hey, you do your thing. Yep. The chocolate milk is $5. All right, hey y'all, you never know. Let's go spend it all. Let's go do it all. Hey, Elena made some bread that night. Filet mignon, $42. Salmon with no sauce, $60. No sauce on that either. Wow. Hey, y'all do y'all thing. Y'all live life how you want to live life. I got no problems with it. I know it doesn't look like much, but this is homemade. Homemade, Scarlett. Who are you fooling? Korean barbecue slaps is kimchi rice with ribeye, bulgogi. Yeah, definitely homemade, Scarlett. Just because you throw it in a plastic bowl doesn't make it homemade, all right? Nah, looks cooked well, but I don't think I can get behind this one. It's just not a good mix. The sausage with broccoli ain't my thing. Sequoia, it looks like you're eating a lot of shit that's not part of the diet. Hey, what are these called again, y'all? Okra. Okra has to be the most disgusting. I mean, the most disgusting, I swear. The most disgusting vegetable ever. It's terrible. From the taste to the texture, it's all fucking terrible. I generally don't even the smell. I don't understand. It has to be the most disgusting vegetable ever. For real. I don't understand. It's slimy. Exactly. It's fucking terrible. It's fucking terrible. I don't get it. I genuinely don't get it. I don't understand why people would even eat that. All right, let's get out of here. We gotta push through. We gotta be off of here by around 6:30. So we gotta hurry up.